welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to study for English paper 2 in grade 10. Hello everyone, so if you want to study effectively for the English 2 paper in grade 10, then focus on understanding rather than memorizing. So these are some tips that you can follow in order to master your test for this upcoming, test. So for this one, we have this infographic that has a lot of suggestions of what should you choose to master when you are studying. So I want to say that you want to start by reviewing the paper format, especially sections on reading, comprehension, grammar, and writing tasks. And you want to pick one that you think that you aren't as good as the other ones. So you want to have an effective planning, like create a study schedule in order to organize yourself. Next is practice reading different text types like essays, articles, and short stories, and answer questions to improve your ability to analyze tone, theme, and meaning. Next is you wanted to strengthen your grammar by revising common rules and doing short daily exercises. So I want to say like a span of 2 weeks you want to master it. But if you want to like really master the content itself, I'm gonna have to say 1 month. So for writing, you want to practice planning responses, outline your ideas, write clearly, and leave time to edit for spelling and punctuation. Finally, do time practice papers to build confidence and improve time management. So this is what I'm saying about effective planning. You also want to have regular breaks in order to relax your brain in order to not overwhelm yourself. Then finally, yeah, to do that and making sure to review your mistakes so you don't repeat them on your exam day. And that is all, and good luck to your exams.